this video, we thought to explain all the details about this hotel, like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see, the screen hotel location, website, that mentions landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.5, which is the very good. On the screen, you can find all the restaurant details they provide, information about the cuisine, menus, open for and variety options. Review category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and wages, etc. Category second. Category third. Category fourth. Category fifth. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, 5 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is explained to guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 3 p.m. and the checkout time is 12 p.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, you can help us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check link in the description. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you will subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So can you comment again?